What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Nice Kicks collaboration with ASICS on the Gel Lyte 3 OG in the Nice Cream colorway. This collaboration between Nice Kicks and ASICS released on July 30th for a price of $130 USD or $170 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is ivory, and this shoe is inspired by the many classic flavors of ice cream. So first off, here's a quick look at the box, and this comes in a special edition box which I personally really love. It's all done in this cream colored finish, and we have this dripping graphic on the very top. Underneath this, we have ASICS branding in this pink shade, along with this graphic of these two cherries at the bottom. And inside the box is lined in this very beautiful mint shade, which is inspired by classic glassware that you typically find at ice cream shops. So jumping back into the shoes, so this is your classic Gel Lyte 3 OG silhouette. On the toe box, this is covered in a very nice, very soft suede finish, and has a very pronounced perforated finish to it. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, this is covered in a very shaggy cream-colored suede, which is a nod to the classic flavor of vanilla, and found on the lateral side of the toe box, we have these two cutouts, which reveals a layer of reflective 3M underneath. This shaggy suede covers the eyelets of the shoe as well, and the middle two eyelets are covered in this brown-colored TPU. Beneath this, on the quarter panel, we have the signature ASICS stripes. This is done in this cream-colored patent leather with a secondary layer of brown underneath, and in the middle there's this tonal netting as well, which reminded me personally of an ice cream cone. Underneath this and next to this we have more of that cream-colored suede, and this wraps around the bottom of the back heel, and on the lateral side only, we have Gel Lyte 3 branding. Moving on to the back of the shoe, so we have hits of brown here, which is a nod to chocolate flavored ice cream. And then beneath this, we have this hit of pink with the Nice Kicks logo, along with the ASICS logo, which is also printed on in pink, which is a nod to strawberry ice cream. And then surrounding the bottom of the back heel, we have this brown colored TPU heel clip, which gives you added structure and support for the back end of the sneaker. And this again is inspired by chocolate ice cream. For the laces, so these come standard with these flat style laces in this cream shade, but they also give you a secondary pair of mint colored laces as well. But personally, I would have liked to see maybe a pink pair of laces. I think it would have went really well with the rest of the shoe. I think I might have some extra pink laces from some other shoe. I'm gonna try throwing them on. Underneath the laces, we have the signature split tongue of your Gel Lyte 3. This is done in this cream colored nylon, and the inner liner of this shoe is lined in this brown colored textile. Moving on to the insoles, these come with these custom branded insoles. They're lined in this pink colored finish as well, and we have that cherry graphic that we saw earlier on the box, along with ASICS branding stamped on the heel. Hanging off the shoe, they also come with this hang tag as well, and it features that same cherry graphic that we saw on the insole and on the box. So the upper of the Gel Lyte 3 sits atop this foam midsole, which is painted in the sail color on the forefoot and the back heel, and then in the middle this is painted in this cream color with speckling of brown colored paint, and encased within the midsole but not visible to the eye, we have ASICS gel technology for cushioning. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, and this is split into three different colors. So the forefoot is left in white, the middle of the outsole is painted in this brown finish, and the back heel is done in mint. So for those wondering how these fit, so overall I feel like these do run true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me great. If, however, you have really wide feet, then you might want to consider going up a half size. But I feel like for most people out there, if you have narrow, normal, or slightly wide feet, true to size should be the way to go. Moving on to comfort, so I've said this before in past ASICS videos, but the Gel Lyte 3 honestly is one of the most underrated shoes when it comes to comfort. By incorporating this gel cushioning and this very soft midsole, I feel like the Gel Lyte 3 is super comfortable on feet, and even straight out of the box you can feel the softness and the cushioning right underneath your heels. So if you're looking for a very comfortable shoe you can wear for many hours without feeling any fatigue or pain, then definitely consider the ASICS Gel Lyte 3. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, so overall I was very impressed. I felt like the material quality felt very top-notch and very premium. The suede specifically I want to call out because they felt very soft, very buttery, and just holding it in hand you can really tell that it's a premium product. And in terms of the overall build and craftsmanship, I had zero issues. Overall, it was very impressive. With all that being said, now let's lace up these nice cream ASICS Gel Lyte 3s, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, this is a very solid collaboration between Nice Kicks and ASICS. If I was to nitpick, I would have preferred a little bit more pink and maybe a little less mint, maybe to give it more of that classic Neapolitan ice cream look. So I'm definitely going to try to hunt down a pair of pink laces, throw them on and see how it looks. Aside from that though, it's just a very solid drop, so if you're an ASICS fan or if you're just a fan of high quality sneakers, then definitely consider grabbing this pair. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Nice Kicks and ASICS Gel Lyte 3 in this nice cream colorway. What are your overall thoughts on this collaboration? Is this a shoe you're feeling? Did you pass or did you take an L? If you guys like this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter as well at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, thank you for the continued love and support, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.